this is Damni Pujari, and this is the second part of the video where we're gonna see how to toggle it to the darker mode. And if you don't know about the first part, you will find it here in the above, and go and check that link first, because there we have learned how to design it in the lighter mode. In this video, my friends, I have used a little bit of JavaScript, but I'm sure that you're gonna understand it very well because I'm gonna teach you in that way. So my friends, let's get started. So guys, I'm an educator in Newton School. So let's see what Newton School is all about. So my friends, Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. They have variety of courses which help professional working people and also for the people from non-tech background. Isn't that amazing, guys? They train you for 6 months to be a full stack web developer. Also, they ensures that you get placed in the best companies in the country. This wasn't the best part, guys. They have pay after placement facilities which ensures that you don't need to pay anything until and unless you get placed in the best companies with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Isn't that crazy, guys? So one more thing. Here you can see Launchpad. Launchpad is an initiative by Newton School for the students who want to learn coding from scratch, and here you can do as much as quiz you want and assignments you want to practice for the free of cost. Isn't that cool? And I want you all to go and check out their pages and try your hands on with this practice questions. So my friends, we are done with the introduction part. Now let's quickly jump into the code and let's see how to toggle it in the dark mode. So I suggest you guys please go and see the first part of this video where I have designed it for the lighter mode, and then only come here because I am continuing here from that code only. So below UL I will add one half moon icon and whose width will be 15 pixels, and we will give it one ID called as icon. Now here, my friends, we have to toggle it to the darker mode, right? So when we toggle it to darker mode, the background will be dark as in blackish, and we'll toggle it to the darker mode. We have to change few of its color, just like background color, and also the color we have written our H1 and P tag as well as our navigation, right? So for that reason, now the question is how to change it to the dark mode whenever we will click on this half moon icon, right? So what we will do is we will go to here and we will write :roots, and we will write all our colors which we have used here. So primary color 2 and secondary color. So primary color is for the menu, primary color 2 is for the background, and secondary color is for our H1 and P tags. Alright, now when I comment it and I will write new primary colors and secondary color for the darker mode, you will see how it will look when we will toggle it. Now uncomment it and we will write one more class called as dark theme, and inside that you have to put those dark theme colors. Now to toggle it, we will use JavaScript. Now as I said, it will be very easy because I'm going to explain it to you. Even though you have no knowledge about JavaScript, you can look into this. We will write where icon, right, and then we will target our ID. So for that we will say document.getElement by ID. So why we are doing this? Because we want to target our icon tag. So we are saying that whenever somebody clicks on the icon, what should happen? The whole color should change and the icon should also change, right? Because here it is black, so when somebody will toggle on it, it should be a lighter color. So we will say that on click document.body, when somebody will click on the icon, the body's class list should change to dark theme, right, as we said over there. But it should also change its icon, right? So we will say that if the class list contains dark theme, then it should have the icon of a light colored half moon, and if not, then it should be dark colored half moon. We have finally completed this project. Let me know in the comments how you like this video, and also if you have any doubt, please reach me out in the comments. And also have a great evening guys. Bye bye.